Hi, meteorologist TJ Del Santo. So far, so good this weekend. Yeah, we had some rain last night and very early this morning, but today, pretty good once again. Let's take a look at what's going on. Quiet conditions locally, but we do have some rain showers off to our west. Now, it's possible that some of those showers could sneak into our area a little bit later on in the evening. We're talking 10, 11 o'clock or so. It's all associated with this frontal system continuing to work its way on off to the east. That cold front you see there will be pushing south and eastward this evening. So at 8 o'clock, it'll be working through southern New England. We still have the chance for a couple of rain showers taking you into the overnight. Notice how the front pushes offshore. Skies clear out. The humidity will be dropping. Looking at a pretty decent day as we head into your Monday. Here we are at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. High pressure sitting off to our north and east will continue to give us a pretty nice day. So that's what we're looking at. Relatively quiet weather for the next 24 hours. Now again, there could be some rain showers around a little bit later on in the evening. Not everyone sees one. The time frame on that 10 o'clock midnight or so. Here's what your Memorial Day weekend, the rest of it looks like. Temperatures on Monday getting into the mid 70s in the afternoon with a blend of clouds and sunshine. So not as warm as it was today. We topped out well into the 80s this afternoon. Be sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for a lot more weather-related information. So again, later on this evening could be a few showers, maybe even a rumble of thunder. Should be out of here for tomorrow, and Memorial Day looking okay for any parades or observances out there.